Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in the New Year's Day. Yes, on New Year's Day we have no newspaper, and I've told you on Friday, December the 31st, we have no additional, so no extra puzzles. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzle of the Friday edition, October the 15th, 2021. I've already solved one, the letter Sudoku. Now it's time for the second one, the Two Stars Sudoku. Then I will do the tectonic with 1 star. So 2 puzzles are left. But first we will solve this baby number 3915. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. Correct. And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have four ones. We have 3 twos. We have 3 threes. 2 fours. 2 fives. 2 sixes. 4 sevens. 3 eights. And 3 nines. So the sevens and the twos, I believe. No, the sevens and the well, let me let me look for the threes. Wait, or the fours. Threes. No, 3 threes. Or yeah. Well. Okay. 2, 3. All right. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And I cannot continue with the 7. Let me see. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 3. We have 8 and 3 in the middle row, so no 8 and the 3 in these 3 boxes. The 8 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 8 and the 3, 8 and the 3. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing, 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 in this column. So no 2 and a 9 in this box. The 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Alright. 1 in this row. 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Well, this big square, 6 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in the 3rd column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this row, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in the 3rd column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the 2nd column. So in the 1st column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the 1st row, 1 in the 3rd row. So the row between the 2nd row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. How about These 2 missing numbers in the middle row, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Alright, and we have a pair in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 8. We see an 8 in this column, third column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8 in this row, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 8, okay. So, let me see. 8, 4, and 2. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column, first column. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first column. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 here in this big square, so no 8 in this box. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this first column for the number 4. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So what are the other 2 numbers in this column? We have a 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright, now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Okay. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3. Number 6. Okay. Now we have 1 number left in the middle column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Okay, now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the first row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row. Second row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 5. 1 box left in the first row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 1. 1 in this row, last row, 1 in that row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Final number of this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Finish in 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm quicker than the time limit. So is this really a 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later. Later with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.